Okay, class. What we're going to do today is I'm going to show you a little bit how to use Google Earth. So we're going to go up in here and Google Earth pops up. I'm going to click on that. Once I've clicked on it, go to Google Earth, brings it up. Now you want to go to Launch Google Earth. This is really an impressive tool that I think you're really going to like once we get into it here. Okay. So now, as soon as the Earth comes up, you have the ability to start searching around. One of the places I'm going to share with you is the West Side Market. So I'm going to go to Search. Side. As soon as I put that M in, it starts to figure out what I'm looking for. So here's the West Side Market, Cleveland, Ohio. I'll click on that and watch. It'll take us to the West Side Market. Now, here's an aerial view of the West Side Market and the surrounding areas and streets. What we're going to do is we're going to go and take a little bit closer look. So by zooming in, zoom in a little bit, zoom in one more time. Now, as soon as you get real close, you can start to see that public places like the West Side Market have all these different things put up on them. All of them are advertising through it. So if I wanted to learn a little bit about Maya's Falafel, I could click on that, and boom, up to the right-hand corner would come up with some information about Maya's Falafel and how to get what you could do there. Or if I go a little bit closer there, I can go to Katie's Fish. And there's a picture of some of the fishes, and this is a sea urchin that they've got pictured there. Okay? It's really kind of a cool tool to see a bunch of different parts of it. All right? But one of the things I wanted to show you is if I zoom in a little bit more, and I go to this little select and drag, drop to street view. Okay? See this little dot that comes up? This little blue and gray dot. That's an important thing. If I click on that blue and gray dot, it'll take us inside the West Side Market. Now, this is an area up on top, the second floor of the West Side Market, where you can sit and you can view and you can look at some of the different things as the market goes along. If we zoom in, change our direction a little bit here, you can see the whole West Side Market. By zooming out or in, okay, we can zoom in and see that there's some different meat companies and different places all the way around. Okay. As we look at it, I'm going to zoom back just a little bit so you can see the whole thing. Some of the really cool places you're going to find are down along these edges. All right, this is a very nice bakery here. On the side over here, there's a coffee house. Down here, there's Fresh Sweets. All right, there's a lot of baked goods. If you're looking for the little Smokies, they're located here in the center area. But all these can be found just by looking it up on the internet. All right. So I'm going to back out a little bit, go back out, and we see more about our West Side Market. The produce area is off to the side, so I'm going to click on that, Mark's Produce. All right, and it just shows the different locations. Sometimes when you click on things, they don't always show up. But what I want you to do is I want you to play around with this a little bit. Find a place or a different market or square or something, some food place that you'd like to look into. Take your time, look it through a little bit, and come up with a little guided tour of what's around, so you can show us what's in your area. So like the Market Garden Brewery, which is a place you could eat, or the different things if you wanted to go all the way to Subway, which is over on the side. All these are located within Google Maps and Google Earth. It's really a cool feature, and I want you to play around with it a little bit, because what we're going to do is we're going to use this for our own guided tour later on in the class here. Good luck, and I hope you enjoy this.